So now I'm going to show you what you can do when if you add the two equations together, neither of the variables go away. So remember, the whole point of this is to add the two equations together, and either the x in this case or the y in this case would be eliminated. So right now, if I added these together, 3x plus x, that would give me 4x. So that didn't get eliminated. And positive 2y minus 4y would be negative 2y. So the y's didn't get eliminated either. So I basically solved nothing. So in this case, what I'm going to do is think about, well, if I wanted the x's to become 0, the easiest thing would be to add the negative 3x. 3x minus 3x would equal 0. So that would be multiplying everything on the bottom by a negative 3. And you can do that. Except what I see here is that there's a positive 2y and a negative 4y, meaning if I multiply the entire first equation by 2, then this would be a positive 4y and a negative 4y. So I'm going to choose that one, and simply because then I don't have to deal with negatives. So I'm going to multiply the entire first equation by 2. So 3x times 2 is 6x. 2y times 2 is 4y. And negative 25 times 2 is negative 50. Now I'm just going to rewrite my second equation right below it. I'm not changing it at all. I'm simply just moving it over. So x minus 4y equals 1. So now I can add them together and the y's get eliminated. So 6x plus x is 7x. 4y minus 4y is 0. And negative 50 plus 1 is negative 49. Now, my last step is to divide by 7 on both sides. And so I get 1x equals, negative 7. Now I need to put that negative 7 back into either of these equations in order to solve for y. I'm going to put it back into this second one here. That's simply because it looks simpler for me. So again, you don't have to. You could have chosen the first one, but I'm going to do the second one. So I'm just rewriting this equation right here, but instead of x, I'm going to put negative 7 minus 4y. I have not solved for y yet. That's what we're doing right now, equals 1. So my negative 7, I'm going to add 7 to both sides here. So I get negative 4y still. And then 1 plus 7 is 8. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. And y equals negative 2. So now I have my solution to the systems of equations. X equals negative 7 and x equals negative 2. Y equals negative 2.